Welcome to Idol Talk. I'm Amanda Winkle.
I'm Katie Fry.
And we're back with another week of recaps of what went on this week during auditions. This week we were in Chicago and we were in Orlando, O-Town.
Yes, O-Town, local
Florida. So we'll be talking about that in this episode. But first, we wanted to get to some news about kind of what happened last week and has been happening over the week. Pants on the ground.
Yeah. Get Storm. General.
Huge hit. From the Atlanta auditions, General Larry Laugh, yes, that's his name. He sang his song and he's got a record deal.
Yeah, I didn't know that, but yeah, he's blown up the internet. People are doing remakes of this video. People are tweeting about it. People are singing their own. I myself have been singing this for a few days now just because it's really catchy. So good luck to
Well,
him.
now you can, you'll be able to buy the single when it comes out, I'm sure.
It's pretty amazing what Idol can do.
It's like William Hung She Bangs all over again.
Yes, but with a meaning, purpose,
Yes.
and it's original.
Yes. And speaking of singles, Simon is going to be producing a charity single for Haiti relief efforts.
Oh, that's cool. It's
Yeah.
really cool.
Yeah, so that'll be good. He wants to get it out as soon as possible, so it'll probably be out in like the next 7 to 10 days, I would say. So
That's cool.
yeah, that'll be great. And also, it's Phil Stacey's birthday today. You remember Phil Stacey from season 6?
Yes.
Jacksonville.
We love him, and
Yes.
he is how old?
32.
32. Happy birthday.
Looking great, looking great.
Yes,
Happy
happy for good things.
Happy birthday, Phil.
Happy birthday. So Tuesday night we saw American Idol go to Chicago, which I think they've been there several times, but this was kind of a stinker, shall we say, of an audition. We really weren't pleased with the progress, and out of 12,000 people, only 13 people made it through. So that's not really good for Chicago. And there were a few standouts, though, both good and bad. The first one, bless her heart, her name was Amy, and she started off by fake fainting on the ground to try to get attention. And it just, you don't do that. You don't do that. Tips, number 1, you don't do that. You don't faint.
I can't stand people that try to do the gimmicky thing. It's like
It's overboard.
just sit, because she probably, if she would have just done a straight audition,
She probably would have done well.
yes,
Yeah.
exactly, she
But-
would have made it.
Too much.
Mm-hmm.
The next person is Angela Martin. Now, she had a big story. They went on and on about her because this was her third try at American Idol. And actually, she'd already made it to Hollywood Week and farther in the past.
Yeah.
And this time, she was free of a lot of things in her life so that she could come back and do this to the end.
She was great. I hope she goes very far, that this is her time to shine.
Yeah. And you have another favorite, the guy who...
Yes, yes I do. John Park.
Yes.
He reminds me of Anoop because he has a great voice, but you don't expect it from him. But Katie thinks he will be cut in Hollywood Week.
That is my
so
prediction, yes.
We'll see.
Yeah.
Alrighty, and after Chicago, we went to Orlando, and the talent pool seemed considerably better than Chicago because 31 people got golden tickets.
Yeah, pretty good.
So we've got a lot of good people. And you had a gentleman you wanted to talk about.
Seth, he was 28. I don't have his last name, but he had a child with autism, and they did a really beautiful story about him. And I think he was kind of the poster child for all the really sweet stories last night, really touching stories. And he sang "Someone to Watch Over Me," perfect choice. He did great, and he went to Hollywood, so he was great.
He did very good.
Yeah.
And then another audition we had was the sisters, I like to call them, Amanda and Bernadette from Jersey. I do not recommend auditioning in pairs because I think it's a bad idea. Simon doesn't like it, and you're going to get split up sometime, and folks, there can only be one American Idol, so it's not like you're going to share the crown or something.
Yeah.
So
Avoid the pain now.
Yes.
The tears. Yeah.
Yes.
But they both did make it through. Barely, but they both did make it through.
I think just more for a gimmicky, yay, let's have them in
Sisters.
Hollywood, it'll be fun thing. So.
Right. I agree. And then we have one of my favorite auditions was the guy who attempted to do a split. And his classic line after was, "My pants done ripped." And I thought it was hilarious. However, I believe that he would not have made it to Hollywood had he not attempted that, because he wasn't like a wow. It wasn't a wow audition except for just this like very loud ripping noise.
What are you saying, like Proud Mary or
I don't
something?
even remember.
I
Don't know. He's not going to be remembered for anything but "My pants done ripped." The last contestant of the day was Matt Lawrence, who is from Stark, so he's kind of our local boy, kind of
local.
And we really liked him. He did country, and he had a lot of a background story to share, but he did a really, really good job. he sang, what did he sing? Trouble, I think it's
Yeah.
called Trouble.
Yeah.
And they said he was brilliant. Simon said you're brilliant. Kara said he was really controlled, and he was really good. He represented North Florida well.
We also had our guest judge in Orlando was Kristen Chenoweth.
Yes, of Wicked fame.
Yes.
We love her. Well,
Yes.
I do.
She's very good. She's also very good on Glee. She gave very good technical advice.
She
to
did,
the
which is
contestants. And Shania Twain, she was the Chicago guest judge. She was good also, but I thought Kristen's advice was more technical, which is more helpful to the singers in the long run. So
Definitely.
alrighty, folks. Well, that's it for us this week here at Idol Talk. Check us out at jacksonville.com/entertainment/idol, or you can email us at amanda.winkle@jacksonville.com, and you can email Katie at
katie.fry@jacksonville.com. Thanks for watching.
Have a good week.
Come on.
Bye-bye.
Hands on the ground, hands on the ground. Yeah. Looking like a fool with your hands on the ground. Come on.